Clearly, this is a time of transition for India. There was a very decisive election 5 months ago. We've had tax cuts, we've had rate cuts, and yet the economy continues to stagnate. So the question is, where are we going to go from here, from an India perspective?
If I talk to investors in Hong Kong, for instance, who are investing all over Asia, and ask them which country do you find most difficult to do business in, they often mention Indonesia or India. And those are two countries where they're actually doing a lot to improve the business environment.
We saw the RBI start to shift gears and accelerate that recognition problem. Now we've got delays in terms of resolution.
Ultimately, at the end of the day, state banks continue to face capital constraints, and that's one of the reasons why we continue to see the kind of risk aversion that sort of gets manifest in the system.
Where we are seeing a significant crunch is certainly across the property developers, and largely that is, as we discussed this morning, just a function of the liquidity crunch that is happening.
I think in the renewable space, there are some issues on working capital, etc., which is a reflection of the broader sectoral challenges on the Indian electricity sector.
How 2020 pans out in terms of financing. Clearly, as I said, there is investor appetite, but we'll have to see in terms of what happens from a policy perspective.